So once again, we will look at how the pressure plate is installed on the Filtrek cartridge housing assembly. So this unit is serial number 14385-1. So this is the SSG type, and then you would go and install all these cartridge filter housings. These are typically the Donaldson ones, and these hex nuts, the height of these on these threaded rods should be adjusted so that the pressure plate, when you put it on, along with all these cartridge housings, the filter assemblies should all be flat. So this surface over here, and this surface over here should be at the same height. So the height, the top of those hex nuts. So once you get the pressure plate, and you will align it to that feature down below. If you see down there, see that feature down there. So we will align this edge of the pressure plate, this edge right here, this edge of the pressure plate to that feature. So you see how I would bring it in, right? So you would bring it in, and then you would insert it into the threaded rods like this. This is how it would sit in, right? So right now, if you see all those hex nuts and this surface over here and the surface of the hex nut in down below, they're all flat. Now all we need to do is tie them down, right? So we will just use these guys, tie them down, right? So all three of them would be used to tie them down. This guy, and then similarly each one of them. It's easier to see this one. Right? And then the third one as well. And this is how you would assemble it.